welcome to Zandrei channel ZZZ. Today we'll be folding a balloon. So, let's get started. Okay, now let's get started. So first, do the crisscross fold. So basically like this, or this. So it's divided into 4. So, fold it in half upwards. Fold this in half horizontally. Unfold. So, cross crease. Now, do the diagonal cross crease. So, just do the same thing diagonally. So, fold the paper in half. And fold it in half. Okay. Now we're just going to, okay, so this is a hard part. So put your paper like this, and then fold the diagonal creases down. So it's like this. And then do the same thing with the top. Okay, then get the top, like the top left layer, and then fold it up so it goes in the middle. And then do the same thing with this right side, and then the other side. Okay. Now, we are just gonna get the corners, so like top layer corners, fold them, and then do the same with the bottom layer. Wow, this is getting small. Okay, now here's the hard parts. Just get the top flappy, and then just open the things you just folded, and then put it in. It's okay if you crumple it inside there. It should be something like this. And then and then you should do this to every pockets. Make sure you're not doing this upside down. Okay, now this is not a balloon until you blow it up. So just blow it in the hole. Okay, so if you wonder how I'm gonna blow this up, you just blow it So just flip the balloon upside down, and then you see this? This is the hole where you blow in. So you got your ball slash balloon. Bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to Zandrei channel ZZZ. And make sure to ring that bell, and if you have any suggestions, comment below. Like right down there. Okay? So bye.